Empty appointment slots from last-minute cancellations are costing you money. This new Amelia feature fills them automatically in under 2 minutes of setup. Let me show you how. Here's the problem. Your Tuesday afternoon is completely booked. A potential customer visits your booking page, sees no availability, and leaves, probably to a competitor. 2 hours later, someone cancels their Tuesday appointment. Now you have an empty slot, lost revenue, and that customer who wanted to book. They're already gone. Until now. The new waiting list feature changes everything. When all slots are full, customers can now join a waiting list directly from your booking page. When someone cancels, Amelia automatically notifies all 3 customers at once via email or SMS. It's first come, first served. Whoever books first gets the slot. The others stay on the waiting list in case another spot opens. So instead of eating the cost of last-minute cancellations, you're filling those slots automatically. For service businesses, this typically means 10 to 15% more revenue just from appointments that would have gone empty. Feature number 2 is scheduled coupon activation. Navigate to Amelia, then Coupons, and click Add Coupon. You'll notice a new start date field. This might seem simple, but it's incredibly powerful for planning promotions. Before this update, coupons activated immediately when you created them. If you wanted a Black Friday sale, you had to remember to create it on Black Friday morning, or customers could use it early and mess up your promotion timing. Now you can schedule everything in advance. Create your Black Friday 30% off coupon in October, set the start date for November 29th, set an end date for December 7th, and you're done. The coupon automatically activates at midnight on Black Friday and deactivates after Cyber Monday. All these features are included in version 8.7, available now through your WordPress dashboard.